If there is a moment that senators and the governors, we are united, it is this moment. We are saying, and you heard the court saying the other day, matters to do with the roads should be the preserve of county government. That is a historic ruling. And that is a signal that all other functions that are supposed to be devolved, for heaven's sake, they should be devolved. Number two, we are now fighting for more resources to the counties. And this time, we are not going to soften. We know that the division of revenue, as a Senate, we have asked for 465 billion. But the National Assembly has decided that they cannot support us on that. We will stand firm to push for more money in our counties. ODM hatukusaini mkataba ya anything. So when you come here, you should tell us where our 30% is as a region. Hiyo nitakusikiza. Lakini wewe ukikuja hapa ukianza kulaumu ODM is not in government. For heaven's sake, you are in government. Give our people the 30% they were asked that they will be given. Then we'll listen to you. Jambo la mwisho. Mimi, I want now to speak as ODM because I'm the deputy party leader of ODM. Leo nimeamuka asubuhi, nimeona magazeti ati wanasema ODM has been tamed. Tamed by who? And tamed when? That because Orengo has gone to State House to bargain for his people, that now ODM has been tamed. ODM is the party that has stood for Kenyans. We may have changed our tactic from hard tackles to soft tackles, but we are for the people of Kenya. And we will continue to fight for the people of Kenya. And that is why we have a 10-point agenda MOU addressing the issues of Kenyans, including devolution. That we as ODM, we are peaceful, we will continue to push for the interest of this country, but we have that MOU of 10 points. Let him not forget the 10 points.